Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Altima hood. First, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever inside your car. It's usually located on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, often near your left footrest. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the hood slightly disengages. This is the first of two steps to safely access your engine compartment. Now that the hood has popped slightly, walk to the front of your Altima. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach your hand underneath the center, often near the Nissan emblem. You'll feel a small lever or latch. This is the secondary safety latch. Push this latch sideways, typically towards the left, while simultaneously lifting the hood with your other hand. With the hood now fully open, you'll need to secure it in place. Look for the metal prop rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully unclip it and insert its end into the designated slot on the engine bay. This slot often has an arrow pointing to it. Ensure the rod is firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clips on the hood. Gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches or 30 centimeters above the latch mechanism. Then, release it, allowing its weight to pull it down and latch securely. Before driving, always double-check that the hood is fully closed and latched to ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.